New launch CNC drilling machine KD-612G for complex machining. Configures with independent pressure booster and inverter on drill head. To PCS of milling cutters mount head and the dual lower spindles. Mechanical structure with automatic avoidance greatly improved machining efficiency. Upgrades into 2 layers of tools changer, totally 10 post tools magazine. Patent technology, dual pressure plate equipped and less vibration, more accurate, efficient and intelligent in machining. To make each workpiece with the ultimate results. Standard configures with 2-way tools aggregate. 45 or 4-way tools aggregate optional. Aggregate with 360 rotable for side milling. Achieving for faces to be processed with 1 tool. Applicable to process side lamella, invisible lock fittings, etc. A preferred model for the high-end customs manufacture and bring further to the furniture intelligent made. KDT always brings continuous innovations on its CNC drilling series. Open up a bright future on furniture machining.